MomoBerry.
A is the engine chugging down the track. B is the boxcar rolling right behind the back. C carries cookies sweet as can be. D has a drum going dum-dum-dee. Choo choo, here we go. Alphabet train goes row by row. All aboard, come along, sing the happy alphabet song. Hooray! E has an elephant big and gray. F holds a frog that jumps all day. G brings grapes in a bunch so neat. H has a hat for everyone to meet. Choo choo, hear it roar. Letters coming more and more. Climb aboard, sing it loud. Alphabet train makes us proud. I carries ice cream cold and sweet. J has a jelly jar, what a treat. K brings a kite that flies so high. L has a lion giving roar nearby. M holds monkey swinging with glee. N has a nest in a tall green tree. O carries oranges round and bright. P has a puppy barking with delight. Q has a queen with a shiny crown. R rolls robots up and down. S carries stars that sparkle at night. T has a tiger with stripes so bright. U brings umbrellas for rainy days. V has a violin that plays sweet lays. W holds a whale splashing in blue. X has a xylophone, tap it too. I carries yarn all soft and light. Z zooms last with a zebra in sight. Now the train has reached the end. Let's ride again with every friend. Choo choo, off we go. Alphabet train steals the show. From A to Z, sing along, learning